who you are. It doesn't matter where you've been. It doesn't matter what the scar. It doesn't matter what the sin. It doesn't matter how you fell. Somewhere along the way, there is healing for your life today. There's a river that flows from the fountain of God, and it heals everything along the way. I have tasted and known that for every broken heart there is healing in Jesus' name. He looks beyond how far you've gone. He looks beyond when you were hurt. He looks beyond who stole your song. He looks beyond what made it worse. He looked beyond where others failed to reach out to you and say, there is healing for your life today.